My gosh. It's been a year. It's been a year since I vlogged, and I'm at uni now, so that's insane. I just got like flashbacks to when I used to vlog, even though it didn't last very long. It did last long, to be fair. I just never edited and posted anything because I was so consumed with all my work and exams and getting ready to go to uni. I was just like, I can't prioritize my YouTube channel right now, but I have time. I have time now, and I just finished most of my assignments and exams. So right now I'm extremely free, and I was like, okay, why not bring back the vlogs? So today you will be joining me on a Sunday reset. Okay, it's called a Sunday reset, but it's a Monday today, so I'm a fraud. Because I have Mondays off and I like to use it as a reset day. Because then my week starts and I don't have time to do any of this. What are we planning on doing today? Cleaning my room a bit, cooking, doing some laundry, picking up a parcel. Which, what is the time right now? Oh, it's 2. Okay, so I low-key need to go really soon. So let me just get ready so I can start my day and you can come along with me. I'm gonna try and keep my hair wavy today because my hair is kind of recovering from being dry, damaged, bleached, and everything and anything you could think of. So let's do my makeup. I think I want to put on false lashes today. I don't know. I should have been using my serum because I feel like my lashes have completely disappeared. Oh my goodness. I had so many opportunities to vlog such amazing things that I've been doing, such amazing days, but I've kind of just been living in the moment. That makes me want to die. Let me just do my makeup and get back to you. Okay, I'm all ready. Spray my perfume. I'm using warm vanilla sugar. Duh! I'm using this Dior. I do have to pick out a hoodie or a jacket. I don't know what yet. But that needs to be done. I think my hair is drying nicely, so I'm gonna keep it wavy. Hope it'll be fine. This is my outfit for today. I got this top yesterday, and these pants I got a while back, and I'm wearing my Uggs. This is all from Brandy. I've been so obsessed with Brandy lately. I don't know what is going on with me, but I'm obsessed. The only clothes that I like are from Brandy. Like, it's become an addiction. Seriously. But yeah, I'm trying to switch my whole entire closet to 100% cotton, and that's what's going on over here. I'm doing my lashes right now because I was like, wait, I want to. With Aylo, my BFF. Oh my gosh, I'm actually dying from that walk, but we're going to get my parcels. But yours is not ready, is it?
No, it's shipping.
She's just coming with me because she loves me.
I do.
Vlog, I'm back and I got this massive bag. Okay, it's not that massive, but the lady in the picture was holding it like this. And I don't know what it is, but it looked so small. Like in the picture, it looks like this size. And I was like, what the hell is this? But it's really cute. This Spider-Man top from Gap. It's for boys, but I don't care. I'm a little boy. This Eeyore top. Wait. Oh, it's so cute and precious. I got some ice cream because I'm a fatty. So now we're gonna do my washing and also go to Kimiko, the little uni restaurant. Yay! Okay, I just put my laundry in and we came to get some sushi. I got this salmon dragon roll. You got salmon avocado crispy onion roll. That's so good. What the hell? Right? Oh my gosh. I need to come here more. 7 pounds. 30. 38. 30. 30. Look at that. We just got boba. I just realized we both got vanilla bean. I don't know what it's called.
Vanilla milk tea.
But anyways, she's a bad influence on me because she literally said that we would get, okay, so I was like, okay, let's go get sushi, but if it's closed, let's go get boba.
And
no, and
when we finished eating, she told me, should we get boba? Do you want boba? But I have no money. I was like, oh my god, I do, but I also have no money. She was like,
but
so
it happened. It happened. We got boba. But anyway, she's a bad influence. She's like, no, because you were like, oh, I'll get it if you get it.
Yeah, because I don't want to like leave my friends alone.
Yeah, that's the real reason. Sure.
Of course.
Okay, our boba's here. Please. Ready? Mm-hmm. I'm not ready. Why did my straw was here and I ended up poking it there.
Okay.
Yay! She put me on this. Mm-hmm. What is it? Vanilla bean. I keep forgetting what it's called.
It's so good.
It tastes like something.
So good.
Yay! At the laundry room. Woo! My laundry's done. Wait, not really though. Because I have to. What? Wait. Wait. It's not even that funny, but why is it like flat Stanley? Okay, wait. Medium or no heat? What?
Sensitive stuff.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorized.
Hey. It's just all pink. 60 minutes on the clock.
Pieces.
I'm gonna do that today. Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh, I hate cooking chicken. Oh, I can't do it. I don't. I'm really stressed out.
Do you have gloves?
Yeah, they're pink.
Of course.
This knife?
I told you about my flatmate, the Catbird girl.
Yeah.
The first time she came, she like left this whole
Yeah.
chicken defrost.
I remember.
And she started laughing and was like, "Oh, salmonella is not real."
What? Your flatmate said that. Yeah, it is. What is he talking about?
I reacted the same way like you did. Yeah. What do you mean it's not?
Wait, he just thinks it's not real at all. Oh my god. Wait, how do butchers do this? Ew. Bad things are happening right now.
Here?
Yeah. There she is, cooking away. I'm really grossed out, but the plan is taking it long. She was like, I feel so useless. Can I please do something? So she grabbed the cutting board and started washing it. But I think I'm gonna make some burrito bowls today. Chicken burrito bowls. Hopefully it tastes good. It's my first time making it, I don't know. Okay, now we're playing Guess Who? Shopkins edition. This is her board. Can you see that? Tell them which one you're doing.
I'm doing this one. Wait, let me show you this one.
Okay. So. I was gonna close it because I was like, that's not
Are
really.
you vicious?
Yeah. Yeah.
I was about to pick that, but I told myself, oh my god, she's definitely gonna pick that one.
Guess who won?
Me.
Me. She started off so
Never
good.
coming to this kitchen again.
No, you loved it. But yeah, that was fun. We played for how long? Like an hour?
I think.
Oops. We got a little bit too into it. But it was worth it.
It was fun, it was fun.
She's leaving. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you so much. Take care.
There she goes. I've had such a great day. This is so watered down now. My room is a mess. I need to pack away my laundry, so... I'm Justin Bieber's #1 girl. I have been a fan for the longest time. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, it's actually perfect. My room is a bit of a mess right now, so I do need to clean it up quite a bit. And then Hoover. It's not that dirty, but I do like to keep my room super, super clean. My bathroom's fine, so I don't have to worry about that, but I do need to tackle all of this. I think I'm gonna make some tea. I have my hot cocoa, my chai, and a bunch of other little teas. It's my little teacup. I have so many wires. I don't know what to do with it, but we're making some tea. I have 4 puffer jackets. I need to put them away, but I have no hangers. Feels so good to have more room over here. Okay. I packed away all my laundry. I ran out of storage on the camera, so I actually didn't vlog the rest of that, but I did manage to put my laundry away. I do still have to make my bed tonight, later tonight. That'll be all done, and I feel very productive, very refreshed, and I hope to whoever's watching this, my 5 subscribers, that it motivated you, and it was so much fun to vlog again. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.